Reviews of top 5 best embroidery machine. Let's get started. List number 1. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. A Brother embroidery machine never disappoints, and even less so when it comes to the Brother PE800. What sets this model apart from the competition is the vast array of features without increasing the cost. So you get the chance to work on almost any embroidery project available, get exceptional results, and still don't empty your bank account. Our verdict. A Brother embroidery machine never disappoints, and even less so when it comes to the Brother PE800. List number 2. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Small but decently practical, the Brother SE600 is the ideal embroidery machine for beginners. Thanks to its features and highly convenient design, even the most inexperienced embroiderer will have a blast using it. The first thing you'll notice is the 3.2-inch LCD screen. It is large enough to allow proper visualization of the designs you want to create. Our verdict. The Brother SE600 is the ideal embroidery machine for beginners. List number 3. Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Combining a sewing machine with an embroidery machine is not an easy task. Luckily, the Brother SE1900 makes it look dull. This happens because the SE1900 from Brother offers over 240 built-in stitches, 10 auto-size buttonhole options, and over 130 built-in embroidery designs with 11 fonts. Our verdict. This machine is the perfect combination for quilting, sewing, and embroidery. List number 4. Genome Horizon Memory Craft 9850. Nothing will help you more when it comes to achieving fantastic embroidery designs than getting a computerized embroidery machine. With the Horizon MC9850 from Genome, you get one of the most practical models out there. The limit of customizations is almost too far to reach. Our verdict. If you want to enjoy everything a computerized machine has to offer, the Horizon MC9850 from Genome won't let you down. List number 5. Brother PE770 Embroidery Machine. Want to set up your own tailor shop? Then you need to consider the Brother PE770 as your best bet. We think this is the best embroidery machine for home business because it combines the effectiveness of a sewing machine with the practicality of an embroidery model. For those in search of a durable embroidery machine with built-in memory, the Brother PE770 was engineered for you. Our verdict. Great machine for hobbyists and professionals.